What are peace corners? As we begin today, I'd like to share a quote from Dr. Maria Montessori that will serve as our guiding inspiration. She said, "Peace is what every human being is craving for, and it can be brought about by humanity through the child." This profound statement reminds us that the foundation of a more peaceful world begins with the child. In Montessori education, we recognize that children are not just passive recipients of knowledge, but active builders of a more compassionate and harmonious future. By fostering respect, empathy, and a deep sense of connection in our classrooms and in our homes, we help children develop the social and emotional skills necessary to cultivate peace within themselves, their communities, and ultimately the world. As we explore ways to nurture kindness, cooperation, and inner calm in young learners, let's keep this idea in mind. Every lesson in grace and courtesy, which is what we in Montessori call social skills or manners, every moment of patience, and every act of understanding that takes place in these incredible areas of our classrooms and homes contributes to shaping a generation that can bring about true and lasting peace. So let's embark on this meaningful work together. Dr. Maria Montessori was a passionate advocate for world peace, believing that education was the key to fostering a more harmonious society. She saw the child as the foundation of a peaceful world, emphasizing that when we nurture respect, empathy, and cooperation in young learners, we create a ripple effect that extends far beyond the classroom. Peace education is deeply woven throughout the Montessori curriculum. It begins with an environment of mutual respect where children can learn conflict resolution, emotional regulation, and cultural appreciation. Through grace and courtesy lessons, children develop the social skills needed for peaceful interactions. The cosmic education framework fosters an understanding of interconnectedness, helping children see their role in a global community. Practical life activities instill care for self, others, and the environment, reinforcing the idea that peace begins with personal responsibility. Dr. Montessori's vision for peace is not just an abstract ideal. It's a daily practice embedded in every lesson, every material, and every interaction within the classroom. By cultivating inner peace in the child, we lay the foundation for a more peaceful world, and peace corners are just one simple way that we can begin doing that work. Peace corners, also known as calming corners or cool down corners or even cozy spaces, are centerpieces in Montessori classrooms and homes all over the world. These areas are designed to provide a safe space for children who are experiencing big emotions or are overwhelmed by external stimuli. They provide solitude and privacy for children. Since connection and co regulation are vital to a child's emotional development, peace corners can also be used as a space for an adult to assist a child in navigating their emotions and providing security and comfort during those moments of emotional dysregulation. In the classroom or in the home with other siblings, peace corners can also be used as a space for children to work together to solve conflicts amicably. Peace corners, and sometimes peace tables, are a vital component of a Montessori environment, offering children a dedicated space to pause, reflect, and regain a sense of inner calm. These thoughtfully prepared areas are not about isolation, but rather about connection, providing children with the tools and support needed to regulate their emotions in a healthy way. When paired with the presence of a calm, attuned adult, whether that's a parent, caregiver, or educator, the Peace Corner becomes a space for co regulation. Through gentle guidance, deep breathing exercises, or quiet conversations, adults help children learn to navigate big emotions, modeling self regulation strategies that children will gradually internalize over time. This process fosters a sense of safety, trust, and connection, helping children understand when and how to use the Peace Corner effectively. Once a child has experienced this modeling and process of co regulation, they gain the confidence and skills to access the Peace Corner independently. Here, they can engage in self regulating activities such as listening to calming music, reading a book, using mindfulness cards, practicing deep breathing, or maybe even doing yoga. These experiences allow children to develop a deeper awareness of their emotions and to build resilience, helping them restore their inner peace and to return to the classroom or home community with a renewed sense of balance. Peace corners are designed to be a safe, private space for children, not a place for punishment or timeouts. We can gently remind children about the peace corner during moments of heightened emotions, but it should always be their choice. This ensures that the space remains a supportive tool for self regulation rather than a consequence. A peace corner should be a space where a child feels safe. It should include sensorial elements that bring comfort and security, helping the child to find their calm. For instance, a chair with soft cushions that gently sways, or a cozy pillow or blanket. Many peace corners also include items that help the child to acknowledge and validate emotions, and self regulating, such as a feelings chart or books about emotions. If the home setting allows, it can be really empowering to allow children to choose items to bring to their calm place and put in their own basket in that space. This not only helps the area feel more special, but it gives the child a sense of ownership over the use of the space and the items within it. Here are some common features of and items that are found within peace corners: dim lighting, comfortable child sized seating, like a pillow, a floor cushion, a rocking chair, or a beanbag, books about emotions and solving conflicts, a feelings chart, a sand timer, squishy balls or sensory bottles and glitter jars, a mirror so children can see their own emotions, calming scented flowers or plants like lavender, a small blanket, a child sized or tabletop Zen garden, paper and crayons for drawing or coloring, a small basket for the child's favorite things, sensory toys for chewing, a yoga ball, a mat, or yoga cards, sound blocking headphones or headphones with calming music or white noise, a child sized handheld windmill. Here are some popular books about feelings that are often found in peace corners. Here are some other great books that you might see in many peace corners, especially in Montessori classrooms. I Offer You Peace is a peace pledge that children can recite as a class or singularly. Our peaceful classroom includes beautiful illustrations depicting peace from Montessori students in schools around the world. I Am Peace provides mindfulness strategies for children. And A Little Peace, created by National Geographic, and A Little Book of Peace provide drawings, illustrations, and real life images of things that bring peace to children, like sitting by a pond, flowers, and doves. Take some time to introduce children to a peace corner and explain how they can use it. You might say something like, "This is our new peace corner. You can come here when you're feeling mad or sad, when you want some time alone, or when you need to solve a problem with one of your classmates." Talk about the items in the space and demonstrate how they can help calm the mind and the body. Show them different activities that they can do while they're in the peace corner. Some popular ideas are raking sand, like in that Zen garden we talked about, listening to calming music, reading books, practicing facial expressions using the mirror, breathing exercises, yoga and stretching, blowing a feather or that windmill we talked about, singing quietly, coloring, drawing, finger painting, and making silence. Now more than ever, social emotional development and well being are essential. Young children need strategies to build self awareness and self regulation. A Peace Corner provides a dedicated space where children can practice these skills safely, helping them to learn how to navigate their emotions in a healthy way. Parents, caregivers, and educators can easily create a Peace Corner at home and in their classrooms to support children's emotional growth. We'd love for you to share with us in the comments how you've implemented a Peace Corner in your environment and any successes or challenges that you've observed in supporting children's self regulation. And remember, we have lots of other really great videos, so make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and that you're following along on all of our social media platforms. Until next time, may your days be filled with peace and connection.